standing outside the Pune Municipal Corporation raise a shocking concern that has been seen from Pune Municipal Corporation related where a shocking security concern has come to light. People including the elected representatives have been entering the premises with the licensed pistols. If we talk about this situation after a shocking revelation has came to the light, the number of people carrying pistols, both elected representatives and citizens visiting the Pune Municipal Corporation has increased. As a measure, the civic body has now installed door frame metal detectors at key locations to ensure the safety of the mayor. The municipal corporation has also warned of strict action. Let's take a look at this report, which tells us even we had a bite talking with PMC Commissioner Naval Kishore sir regarding this. After a gap nearly 4 years, municipal elections have been held and the general body has been formed. As a result, there has been an increase in the movement of corporators, party officers, workers and citizens visiting the PMC for official work. However, a serious concern has emerged now. It has been observed that many individuals are entering the PMC premises carrying the licensed pistols. A few days ago, a corporator even attempted to enter the main hall of the PMC with a licensed pistol. However, security personnel noticed this and informed the corporator that carrying a pistol inside the hall is not permitted. Taking the matter seriously, the municipal commissioner has warned that any corporator found bringing a pistol into the premises in future could face a disqualification. Meanwhile, after it was noticed that some officials and citizens were also carrying pistols into the offices of senior authorities, the security department has now installed the door frame metal detectors outside the chambers of Commissioner Naval Kishore Ram and Mayor Manjusha Nagpur. Citizens visiting the commissioner or the mayor are now being screened before being allowed inside. 6 security personnel have been deployed for this purpose. Similar metal detector system have also been installed at the entrance of the main assembly hall also. It has been observed that many representatives and workers carry license and pistol but are unaware of the municipal rules, often leading to the confusion. To ensure the safety, these metal detectors have been installed and checks are being conducted. With this new security arrangement, citizens will now be able to carry out their work at the PMC in a safer environment. However, it remains to be seen how effectively the administration implements measures to prevent such incidents in the future. On the other hand, even with a license, corporator will no longer allowed to carry pistols inside the municipal premises as we have seen. As we have seen, the metal detectors have been placed inside the have been placed even in the entrance of the PMC office as well as in front of the office of the Mayor Manjusha Nagpur and also with the PMC Commissioner Naval Kishore sir. And we have to see in further days these instructions which we have been given for the licensed pistol will also not be permitted installed to create a safer and secure environment.
मी आपण काळजी घेत असतो. शेवटी कसं आहे की महापालिका कार्यालय फार मोठा आहे. आमच्याकडे 25,000 एम्प्लॉईज आहे आणि नगरसेवक आहेत. इतके लोकांचं व्हिजिट होत असतं. कधी कधी 1000 लोक भेटायला येतात. मला एकटंच महापालिका आयुक्तला. तर थोडासा काळजी घ्यायला पाहिजे. माझं असं मत आहे की बॅगच्या स्कॅनिंग पण केलं पाहिजे. तसेच कोणाच्या हातात काही आर्म्स किंवा कुठला अशा गोष्टी सापडू नये. दिस इज जस्ट अ व्हेरी सिम्पल केअर वी शुड टेक. याच्यावर असं काही सुद्धा पूर्वी सिस्टम न होता पण आता आम्ही करतो आहे. अजिबात नाही. लायसन्सधारक लोकांना सुद्धा आर्म्स घेऊन कुठल्याही कार्यालयामध्ये आतमध्ये जाणं अलाउड नाही. तर त्यांच्यावर अपात्र करण्याची कारवाई करण्यात येईल. जर मला असं सापडलं की कोणी नगरसेवक सुद्धा जर गन घेऊन आला तर मी त्यांच्या विरोधात कारवाई करण्याचा प्रस्ताव देऊ शकतो शासनाला. आता मी कोणाला पाहिला नाही. कोणी तिसरा तर मी सांगतो तुम्हाला.
I am Harjit Kaur with camera person Ajay from Pune Times Mirror.